I could eat the whole bowl. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Megan if you're new here. And today we will be making edible cookie dough, yay! I love this recipe. This is a good one. I've made it before. You can make it in different flavors. It's really simple, really easy. It's just not safe to eat raw cookie dough, and it's really easy to make it yourself and make it safely. So this is for all you cookie dough lovers out there. Let's make this happen. First, we're gonna cream the butter and the sugars and a little bit of salt. Let's get started. 4 tablespoons of room softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Let the butter cream with the sugar until smooth. Now I'm adding 1/4 a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're about to add the flour, the second to last ingredient. This flour has been cooked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and that is what makes it safe to eat. You can tell it's cooked because it starts to crack in the oven and it has a very particular smell to it. As you can see, I scraped down the bowl after all of the flour chunks were mixed in. Now I'm putting in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You could use white chocolate chips, you could use nuts, anything. Yes, this is it. This is great. This is amazing. It was so fast, so quick, so easy. Edible, safe cookie dough. I'm gonna give it a try right now. I could eat the whole bowl. This is so good. This is such a classic version, but you really could do any other flavors, like put cocoa to make it chocolate dough. You could put any flavor extracts like peppermint or almond or hazelnut, anything. You could make this taste however you want. It's such a great recipe, so quick, so easy. Whenever you want a fast snack, quick dessert, make everybody happy, this is perfect. I'm gonna dish myself up just a little bit and have a nice little portion. Such a wonderful recipe, one of my favorites. When you make this, you can put it in other stuff like homemade ice cream or shakes. It's a wonderful addition to a lot of things. This really is amazing. This tastes just like perfect cookie dough. You can taste the vanilla, you can taste the sugar. This is wonderful, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye. This is so good. This is amazing.